So this is the unboxing of the SmallRig tripod. So this is the AD-01, and I needed a tripod really bad, especially a big, thick, heavy duty one, so I can carry my big ass rig around. So let's unbox it. Let's see what they got going on. So we have the box here. I'm gonna go ahead, I already cut it open. We're gonna slide it out here. Bam. Comes in a nice, very nice little package here. It's got, flip it around so you can see this. Very nice little carrying case for your tripod, which, you know, that's nice. And it says SmallRig. Let's see what falls out. All right, there she is. First off, I'm not gonna take anything out yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and check out this little pack of whatever they have in here. This is the, looks like the handle. It's got a little manual right here with some Alien Rienchies. Sehr gut. Now for the main squeeze. Yeah, this thing is definitely way heavier duty than my tripod that I have now. And I'll show you guys what I've been working with here lately. Wah! All right. Woo! Feels good. It's very heavy duty. I can already feel it. The head on it feels very solid, and that's what you want when you're out in the wilderness and you need a tripod to, you know, carry all your expensive stuff. You don't want it blowing around in the wind. Bam. Look at this guy, this is nice. And you have these three. This is the cool thing about this tripod here, is, you know, these bigger heavy duty ones have the supports in the middle. So no matter what, it's got some extra strength there. And the weight is just like double enforced, so this is good. Or I've already found one little maybe issue. This little guy here right on the side where you press to release the quick release plate. Here, it feels quite flimsy. Each time I try to push on it, I feel like I'm gonna break it. So that's not very good. So this little guy here is what I'm talking about. I'll bring it closer to the camera. So when I press on it here, it has that little click, but then it's kind of, sometimes it wants to go, sometimes it doesn't, and it's a little bit, makes me nervous. All right, so the cool thing I just saw here a second ago is that when you take off the quick release plate, you have a little wrench inside here, an Allen wrench. So that's pretty epic, with two little magnets on the side there, like here. You just slide that in, pop it in, ready to go, so you don't have to, makes it quite fast. These guys here on the side, the latches are quite nice and they feel great, and it extends very easily and very nicely. Very great feeling tripod. Okay, so I just shoved my camera on the tripod, and this tripod's quite sturdy. I haven't been used to an actual heavy duty tripod like this, so I'm really excited because when I stuck my camera on there and I moved it around, it didn't budge. My other tripod, on the other hand, would flex and have this like wobble to it. This tripod does not have that wobble whatsoever, and that's just the extra support that you have at the base. This is an investment just in, you know, for your camera. This thing has so much support at the base, and you can continue to build your rig up. So this is definitely a peace of mind that I think everyone should have. If you start to pan up and pan down, pan left, pan right, and it has a wobble into, you know, it starts to wobble, you might want to start thinking twice about what kind of tripod you might need to get. I'm going to follow up with another review in maybe about 6 months after I use this tripod for that long, and really dig down deep. And thanks for watching. So thanks for watching this little unboxing, and I'll see you guys later. Have an awesome day, or week, or year. Have fun, and happy shooting.